Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The Prophet often visited his uncle Abu Talib's house and would sit beside Imam Ali's cradle.
Have you noticed Muhammad's interest in our new baby, Abu Talib? Do you see how he hugs him to his chest?
Yes, Fatima. Oh God, sustain this affection and make my son Ali a supporter and protector for my nephew Muhammad.
After some time, the Quraysh faced a grave crisis, and Abu Talib had numerous children. So, the Messenger of God went to his uncle Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib, one of Banu Hashim's wealthiest men.
Uncle, your brother Abu Talib has a large family, and you see the people's hardship.
What do you suggest, Muhammad? Let's alleviate his burden. You take one of his children, I'll take another, and thus their needs will be better met. Uncle, they are in a crisis, and as their family members, we should be the ones who help them.
Indeed, a wise thought, my nephew. Leave me Akil and do as you wish.
I shall take Jaffer.
I choose Ali. I have chosen whom God has chosen for me. Ali will join us in our home today, Khatija.
I am so happy to have him with us, Muhammad.
And so, from that night, Imam Ali grew up under the guidance of the Messenger of God, nurtured by his generous hands. He absorbed the Prophet's affection and kindness and was instilled with his noble virtues, never leaving his side since then. The Prophet used to take him along wherever he went, and he was raised to believe in God, in the care of the Messenger of God. He never prostrated to an idol, and he never associated anything with God. When revelation descended upon the Messenger of God, Imam Ali was the one who stood by his side, and he was the first to embrace his message. Imam Ali was the first to pray behind the Messenger of Allah. May peace and blessings be upon him.